Get ready to upgrade your life. Today, we are testing 10 futuristic gadgets that feel like they are straight out of 2050. From smart home tech to mind-blowing desk accessories, you don't want to miss this list. Let's dive in. First up, we have this Cyberpunk transparent lighter. It uses dual electric plasma, kickstarting the list with this Cyberpunk transparent lighter. It uses dual electric plasma arcs instead of fire, making it completely windproof and waterproof. No gas required, just charge for USB-C and go. It looks absolutely stunning. Next, upgrade your car's interior with the Kinetic Solar Air Freshener. It features upgrade your car's interior with this Kinetic Air Freshener. It features a mesmerizing double-ring suspension system that levitates and spins using only sunlight. No batteries needed, it just uses solar energy to keep your car smelling fresh. Moving on to number 3, forget boring sticky notes. This LED note board lets you forget boring sticky notes. This LED note board lets you write messages that glow like neon lights. It's perfect for your daily to-do list or just adding a warm aesthetic vibe to your desk setup. Simply wipe it off to start fresh. For number 4, stop worrying about losing keys. This smart padlock unlocks in. Stop worrying about losing your keys. This smart padlock unlocks in less than a second using advanced fingerprint technology. It's rugged, secure, and can store multiple fingerprints. Essential for your gym locker or backpack. Next up is the ultimate travel companion. This 3-in-1 foldable charging station powers your declutter your nightstand with this 3-in-1 foldable charging station. It powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, then folds down into a pocket-sized square. The ultimate travel companion. At number 6 is this magic or physics. The zero-gravity humidifier uses an optical illusion. Is this magic or physics? This zero-gravity humidifier uses an optical illusion to make water droplets appear to flow upwards. It's not just a humidifier, it's a stunning piece of art that keeps your room fresh. Check this out. You can print anything instantly with this portable mini thermal printer. It connects, print anything, anywhere, instantly. This mini thermal printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth and prints photos, notes, or labels without using a single drop of ink. It is incredibly handy for students and creatives. Next, bring your setup to life with this RGB rhythm light. Its built-in microphone picks up. Bring your setup to life with this RGB rhythm light. Its built-in high-sensitivity microphone picks up sound and visualizes your music in real time with vibrant colors. A must-have for any gaming battle station. Number 9 might be the most versatile gadget on this list. The Nano suction mount sticks your phone. This might be the most versatile gadget on this list. The Nano suction mount sticks your smartphone to mirrors, glass, or tiles like magic. It holds strong and removes easily, making it the ultimate tool for hands-free content creation. And finally, at number 10, transform your bathroom with this all-in-one toothbrush organizer. Transform your bathroom with this all-in-one toothbrush organizer. It keeps your brushes covered, holds your cups magnetically, and even dispenses toothpaste automatically. It keeps your sink clean, organized, and hygienic. So, which gadget did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. You can find the links to all these products in the description. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more daily tech finds. Thanks for watching.